G'day everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Jono. Today I'm revisiting the Chemex and we're going to make a full batch in the Chemex Classic. That's right, I'm going to take you through my recipe for getting 600 mils out of your classic Chemex. That's a full batch, I would consider to be a full batch. It's a variation on my V60 recipe, which I will link up here, so you can check that out after this video. But let's get into it. Now, why make a Chemex in the first place? Well, a big draw card for me is the fact that in the classic model, you can make a large batch of coffee straight away. That's number one. Number two is Chemex actually has a real specific character. And to me, that comes from the filter papers. These are the bonded filter papers. They're the ones you want. You can get brown or white. I believe the brown ones are the best for Chemex. It really gives the Chemex its specific characteristics. And to me, that's what it's all about. Another great thing about the Chemex is the fact that it's one piece. It's the vessel and it's the carafe. And it looks great. It'll go on any table in any coffee setup and look the part. First things first, get your coffee ready. I've got here 34 grams of a double anaerobic Colombian geisha, which is just delicious. And then we've also got a full kettle on the boil to 96 degrees. Right, when you're putting the filter paper in, we pick out one edge and we open it up into the cone shape. Make sure to not put the creases in the spout. That's a real sure way to get blockages happening and it'll choke the brew. We don't want that. So make sure the creases are on the other side. Then wet the filter paper and discard the water. I'm gonna just flatten out the bed, tear off again, and we start pouring. Our bloom is going to be 100 grams. Starting in circular motion. Moving into some zigzags. $100 grams. We're going to start pouring again at 35 seconds, up to 220 grams. Now we're at 220, I'm going to grab a spoon and agitate 6 times. And now we're going to pour up to 400. By this stage, we should be pretty close to 2 minutes. My clock's at 1:52 now. So at the 2-minute mark, we're going to pour for the last 200 grams. Finishing the brew as close to 3 minutes as possible. And there we go, 3.5 minutes for 600 mils, perfect. And here we have the finished product. I can't wait to tuck it into it. Now I can almost guarantee you that if you follow these instructions, you will have the best Chemex. But look, taste is subjective, so I'm not going to tell you what you will and won't like. However, this recipe does make great Chemex. Last thing I want to say is whenever I'm making filter coffee, be it through this Chemex, V60, origami, anything, I'm always looking for 3 things. They are balance, cleanliness, and sweetness. Those things have to be paramount, and all these recipes, all the recipes that I have for these brewing devices, they get that. Thanks for watching the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Please leave a like and subscribe if you feel inclined, and I'll see you in the next video.